Okay, so there's just some tools you can use for your advertising or marketing unit to produce TVCs, radio ads, or a simple poster. And then obviously the job for you is to decide where those posters will appear. Kind of, is it on the floor of the supermarket? Is it at a bus stop, train stop? Where would it go? Big billboard, those sort of things. So first things we're going to talk about are three tools for video creation. So you're thinking of a TV commercial. So Adobe Spark is really useful as a free editing software that you can use. OBS Studios is just a really useful way of recording your screen and anything on your screen. So if you can't download a video that you need, for example, or you want to kind of demonstrate something on your computer, that's a really good way to do it. And likewise, Microsoft Stream now has a record screen option that you can use. So I'll give you a really quick flying tour of all of those tools now. Right, so we're in OBS. Basically, all you need to do is set up an audio input. Your computer should already have one, so that's pretty easy. You need to set up a display capture, which is what you're looking at, the mirrored effect here, and video capture if you want your face in the corner. But for this purpose, you probably just want to be video capturing whatever's on your screen, so you can use it for your video. So if I go to my desktop, is my desktop here, so you can see anything that I do kind of pops up on the screen. So that's an easy way to get something that you need from your computer onto a video so that you can start to edit it and chop it up and turn it into a commercial. Okay, so this is Adobe Spark. At the moment we're looking at the sort of video option within Spark, and I'll just give you a really quick flying tour of how that works. Basically you're looking at, it's not so much a timeline, but it's a block approach. So each of these little blocks is a little piece of video that I've put in. I've selected the plus and added text, and you can mess around with text in the layout over here to the right hand side. Themes give you sort of colors if you want to color it, resizes obviously if you want to insert an image and those sort of things, you can add those in there. And then music, I'd prefer to add my own music, so you can kind of pick specifically what kind of music you want involved, but there's kind of some not great examples in there if you want to get started that way. So once you've got some music, stock footage, and kind of those sort of things, you can basically record audio pretty simply by clicking that button there. You press and hold it after it allows your computer to use the device, and you can just record whatever copy you have going over that. So it's probably better to have audio rather than text. If you just think about most ads you see there, obviously not using text very much. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Photo, icon, text, video. Once you've done, you can preview it and it'll play the whole thing for you. As a test, and then once you're done, you download it, upload it to somewhere so someone else can see it, or just share it by publishing it or inviting other people to look at it there. And that's pretty much all you need to know for Spark. Okay, so we're in Stream at the moment. I'm hoping that you have these controls as well. You go to Create, you can go to Record Screen, and it'll do more or less exactly the same as OBS, but hopefully in a setup that is native to you. So I won't click Start Recording because it won't use it because my camera's already busy, but you set up the microphone you've got, the camera that you've got, and just like in Teams, you can move your little head around so if it's in the way, and obviously you might not want to use your face, but that's an option. Again, just how to record the screen if you don't want to stuff around with YouTube Downloader or those sort of complicated things.